In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from 888starz Sinhala. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and find the video helpful. Before we continue, I want you to create a professional 888starz account. To do that, click on registration, take the third option that says by email, fill in all your details correctly and create a password. In the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code RenzoTV. If you use the promo code, you're going to receive a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $300. Once you're done, click on the three boxes and register your account. Now let's continue. So if your account is in Sinhala and you want to withdraw, here's what to do. Just go out to menu, click on settings, and the second option there is going to be withdraw funds. So you click on that option, they're going to give you all the possible methods you can use to withdrawing funds from your 888starz account. And as you can see, there are many methods that you can use in this case. All you have to do is to go ahead and choose the one that is convenient for you. Like for instance, if you choose cryptocurrency, they're going to give you the procedure to follow to withdraw the money. If you choose an e-wallet, they're going to give you a procedure to follow to withdraw the money. So you choose which one is convenient to you and also in the country where you are and go ahead with the instructions that will be given to you.